Pimped out minivan. Okay, we got Netflix in here now. We just have the straight. I got lots of data, so we can probably use that. But there's the installed DVD player. So right now it's coming through the factory speakers. You can also use the headset. There's a wireless headset, but I need pads for it. And then I put this jack here for the back for a wired headphone if you want. And that's the rail system there. And this is the Roku box here, so it's kind of, I wish that could fit better, but it needs to see it. I think the Netflix worked better. It was actually worked inside the box. I put all the equipment in this box here. There's a converter. And then you can see that that's right where it's all hooked up. There. Yeah, that's cool. And you can control some of it through the factory or radio here too, where it says DVD. You can also listen to music at the front. And then you can still listen to this out back.
Air Country 89 Kane Brown was announced as one of the artists taking part in Good Morning America's Summer Concert Series. He's hitting their stage on July 9th.